Hello. Today I'm going to concentrate on writing. Quite often you're asked in an exam to write a short piece of writing, pushing forward an argument, examining views, etc. So what I'm going to do is read out a text that's been written, and I will publish this later, and there'll be some tips. So when you tackle this type of question in an exam, you need to structure your writing into paragraphs, starting with an introduction, introducing points of view and support material. You need to provide views and arguments, contrast those ideas, suggestions and opinions, and finish with a conclusion. So this is my practice piece of writing, and I will pause to tell you the specific point I'm making. First paragraph, general introduction, explaining the importance of the subject. Up until now, this is a time fixer. Power generation has relied on natural resources such as coal, gas and oil. These are examples. As these supplies begin to run out, scientists have been investigating alternative methods of producing electricity, such as windmills. This is a link to the main topic. Next paragraph. Here you need to introduce a point of view. One of the main arguments against windmills is that, I'm going to introduce a view or an argument, is that they are an eyesore and spoil areas of natural beauty. This may lead to a reduction in tourism, which would be bad for the local economy. This is a support point. Moreover, that's a joining word. Many people, this is a generalization, are concerned that the windmills are not only a distraction to motorists, but the noise that they make may disturb local wildlife. A support point. Next paragraph. Introducing an opposite point of view. On the other hand, this is a contrast joining point. The main argument in favor of windmills is that, here I'm going to introduce a view or an argument, they will provide a much more reliable power supply to remote areas, and consequently small industries will be established, which will provide local employment for people. That's a support point. And at the same time, this is a joining point, adding something, boost the economy, a support point. Last paragraph, conclusion. In conclusion, that is my introducing point, I firmly believe that, that's an opinion, it would be a good idea if, a suggestion, plans for the windmill farm went ahead, as they pose no threat to the environment, a support point, in terms of air pollution, and they would certainly be a more attractive than a conventional power station, support. Hope you like our posts. Don't forget to share them and place a like on the page.